My one takeaway today has to do with my talk on solubility and supersaturation. I talked about the solubility advantage of amorphous pharmaceuticals with all of the different dosage forms and styles of amorphous solid dispersions that we really need to characterize both free drug and amorphous solubility to really understand product performance.
I think it's really nice to hear shared learnings from other professionals that kind of experience the same challenges and kind of come together to see how we can tackle these challenges as an industry and kind of move the science forward. So I think that's been a really, really cool outcome.
There's a lot of interest among ASD scientists with how to convert an ASD drug product intermediate into a drug product, yet there's still not enough research that's being done in the area. So we really need to get on it.
These technologies are complex and sometimes they compete against each other, but I felt at this meeting there was just only collaborative spirit, people trying to problem solve and share ideas, share knowledge. So it was just a great atmosphere, and I learned a lot.